Welcome to JH. Today we are diving into the world of couponboomer.com, a site that boldly claims to offer premium deals with a staggering 98% success rate and 100% verified codes for major brands. It sounds like a shopper's paradise, doesn't it? But before you start filling your cart, let's see if this is a legitimate gold mine or just a well-painted trap. Usually, when a site promises perfection, the only thing they're actually 100% successful at is wasting your time. A quick WHOIS check reveals our first red flag. The domain was only registered in June 2025. It's so fresh it practically still has the new car smell, except this one smells more like a digital dumpster fire. While being new isn't a crime, a site with zero history is about as trustworthy as a politician during election season. It hasn't had any time to build credibility, yet it expects us to hand over our trust immediately. Next, I went looking for a contact page because, call me old-fashioned, I like knowing there's a human on the other end. I searched for a phone number, an email, or even a carrier pigeon address, but I found absolutely nothing. There is literally no way to reach them. It's a bold business strategy to offer premium deals while simultaneously playing a world-class game of hide-and-seek. If something goes wrong, you'll be left shouting into a void that doesn't even offer an echo. Then there is that 98% success rate claim. I've seen more realistic statistics in a unicorn sighting report. There is no proof, no explanation, and no logic behind this number. It's clearly just bait to make people feel safe while they harvest your information. But wait, it gets better. Buried in the site's own text is a disclaimer stating it was created for learning purposes only, and that all the brands, logos, and deals are fictional. So, the verified coupons are about as real as my chances of winning the lottery without buying a ticket. Finally, let's talk about their 50,000 happy users. That's a lot of people, yet a search on Trustpilot and Reddit returns exactly 0 reviews. I suppose those 50,000 people are all part of a secret society sworn to silence. After looking at the evidence, the verdict is clear. Couponboomer.com is not a legitimate source for discounts. It's a brand new site with no contact info, fake claims, and a literal admission that its content is imaginary. Stay smart, stay safe, and remember that if a deal looks too good to be true, it's probably just a learning experience you don't want to have. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews.